Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to take the Shaw Concepts side bucket soft armor plate 3A, put it into the soft armor or the Shaw Concepts side bucket. So actually this is already turned inside out, but so I'm going to start from the beginning. So your side bucket's going to come like this. You could put it on your placard. I had it on in my earlier videos before I got the soft armor. I had this in my on my cummerbund, and I had my hard plate, hard armor 6x6 in here, and that works fine. And actually, this comes with a piece of pad in it, which makes it much more comfortable with your cummerbund. But they have a Shaw sells an armor insert that fits in this, so you have 3A protection on your sides regardless of whether you have a hard armor insert or not. So the way to install that is you turn this inside out like this, and this shows you the pocket. So here's that pad. And then you take your armor insert and see how it has this shape to it. It's the same shape as this. So you put the square side down, and then the side with the sticker that says this side towards your body, you're going to put that on the pad side. And the pad is sewn in, so you can't put it on the wrong side if you do that. So here I go. Pad goes in, or the soft armor insert goes in. Once it's like this, stuff it in there nice and tight, and then you're going to turn this inside out again, or you're turning it right side out. Ugh, it's going to be ugly, but once you turn it around, make sure everything is. Now this is a armor panel, and then you attach it to your inside of your cummerbund, and you have the pad, you have the soft armor, and anything you put in here. I choose to put hard armor plate, but you could also put what is it? I think Shaw Concepts is their Spectre. So if you wanted 3 mags here on your side, you could put that in here, I believe. You put hard armor inserts, you put like a hard armor insert in a mag or a radio or whatever you can fit in here within reason. You could even stack some stuff in here. But that's how you install the soft armor insert into the Shaw Concepts armor cut out into the Shaw Concepts side bucket. Hope that helps.